Hello guys, very long time no see. Today, I'm going to show you how to create Cinema 4D logo style in Blender with very simple method, easy and quick. You will get a clean and friendly mesh topology. The idea is, we will create a base mesh from a simple circle, then deform it and make it wrap around a sphere perfectly. As you can see, the final outcome looks very similar to the Cinema 4D original logo, and the topology is good enough. Now, let's get started. In top view, add a simple circle. 32 verticals is good enough. Go to Edit mode and delete it by half. Select all the verticals and move them to the right. Don't forget to hold Ctrl while moving to snap increment to the viewport grid. Now, add a mirror modifier to mirror it by x-axis. Make sure you checked the clipping option, because while we extrude the verticals to the left x-axis, it will help us auto-merge the verticals in the middle. Apply the mirror modifier. Now press Ctrl F to fill it with grid fill. Perfect. Subdivide it with some loop cuts. 4 is good. And same here. Back to the object mode. We need to bend it. Just add the simple deform modifier. Bend it by y-axis. We need to rotate the mesh in edit mode, 90 degrees by y-axis, to make the modifier works correctly. Now, adjust the angle to make the shape has the similar curve with the C4D logo. Perfect! I need to back up this base mesh, duplicate, and move it somewhere, then I can reuse it later whenever I need it. Apply the deform modifier. Back to the edit mode. Select all of the verticals, then press Alt-Shift-S and 1 to make the mesh wrap around a sphere perfectly. You can also make this by go to the menu toolbar. It's down right here. Click and drag, make it 1, and you will get the result. Alt-Shift-S is the hotkey. OK. Back to the object mode. Make it some thickness by adding a solidify modifier. Input any value as you want. Now, I need a bevel to make sure there is no issue with the mesh when I add subdivisions to it. Ctrl 3 to subdivide it by 3. Shade Auto Smooth it. The inside part is just a simple sphere, but don't use UV sphere, I will show you why. Just add an UV sphere. When you subdivide it, as you can see, you will get artifact issue here, so just don't use it in this case. Now, I will show you how to create a perfect sphere. First, add a cube. Subdivide by 2. Apply it. Go to Edit mode and make it become sphere by Alt-Shift-S1. Subdivide it. Shade Auto Smooth, and move it to the location where we want. The offset for the solidify of the outside part should be +1. It will help us align the inside part to the outside part easier. Now, we need to scale the sphere from here. Go to Edit mode, select the vertical where we want to move the 3D cursor to. Shift-S and select Cursor to Selected. Change the pivot to 3D Cursor. Select all verticals, then scale them. Perfect! All right, we got the logo. Now, we need to rotate the model to the similar angle as the C4D logo. Maybe this? Perfect! Here it is. A mesh wraps around a sphere perfectly with clean and friendly mesh topology. Now, we can add some basic materials to the model. Before that, I need to change the render engine to cycles first, because the glass or transparent material will look better in cycles than EV engine. I will optimize the render settings in Quick. I will use a simple, glossy material with high roughness value for the outside part. And I will use a simple, dark blue glass material for the sphere. Now, we got the C4D logo style. You can change the materials, the lighting, the HDRI for the environment to get the results you want. And as usual, I also created a project file for you guys. It's already animated, as you can see here on the screen. You can download the project file for free. I placed the link to download in the description down below. So, that's it. I hope you like the tutorial and the project file. If yes, please hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe my channel. Thanks and bye. Peace.